Welcome to step-by-step guide to integrate CustomGPT into your Siteimprove site. Step 1. Find your sitemap. You can find your sitemap at https://www.domainname.com/sitemap.xml. Step 2. Create a CustomGPT agent. Sign into your CustomGPT app and start a new project. Create project. Add your sitemap and name it. Click on Create Project. Step 3. Copy embed code. Once your project is ready, navigate to the project settings. Click on Sharing. Click on Embed Code. And copy the code. Step 4. Paste HTML code to Siteimprove site. Log into your WordPress site. Navigate to Pages and select the page where you wish to add the CustomGPT agent. Look for the option to add custom HTML code. Click on it. And then paste your embedded code into the provided space. And there you have it, your CustomGPT agent on your WordPress site, ready to improve your site. Thank you for watching this guide.